Alright, so you always want to open the condos quietly because loud clanging can be upsetting to the cat. So we're just going to gently open it, and then my first move is always going to be to offer a finger to the cat. So now we have a sniff. So I can probably, oh hi. See if she'll accept some pets on the shoulder. She's a little nervous. There we go. Get a little bit of a lean in. And if you scratch the cheeks, releases pheromones. Hi, sweetheart. You can see that I'm crouched down small and I'm facing sideways, and I'm not really looking at her too directly, and I'm letting her kind of come investigate me. If you come into the cat shoulders front staring at them, they find that to be a pretty aggressive stance. Oh, there we go. There's some lean in. I feel a little purring. Hi. Oh, there we go. Once they start getting that head pushing into your hand like that, they're starting to feel more comfortable and warmed up. You notice her ears are pretty neutral. Her pupils are also pretty natural, not too dilated.